Okay, it's good.
Wait. Huh?
It's good. It started already.
Yeah, it's going.
Yeah. Chucky's
Hi,
waiting.
guys. How's it going? What's up? Gonna open the new Nuobells. I'm just gonna start with a little.
So wait, what does that one have?
This one
It
has.
says the labels on the no, other side.
No, it says it here too. We got the color green. We got 64 pounds.
60. Oh, this one's 64. Damn.
Yeah, that's interesting. I don't know what's gonna be in here. We're gonna open it up real quick over here. You're gonna see what we got. Should be something real good. Oh. Okay.
Yo, shit, easy.
No, because here's the thing. If
That's crazy.
the thing
Put the
is,
knife in and take out the first piece of styrofoam.
it's not about that.
It's about sending a message.
It's
Jesus Christ. That's crazy work.
hold up. Okay, you see what I'm saying? You see that?
I see it.
Okay. So if we do this, we open this, here's what we got over here. We got some pieces. So,
Go back further.
Okay.
But yeah. Yeah, there you go.
so we got some pieces over here. Warning. Okay.
Let's go, 580.
Pretty good, pretty good. Got the
How
color
heavy is it?
green. Huh?
How heavy are those?
These? They're kind of like plastic.
Oh, they're plastic? Okay.
Aluminum.
All right.
They're not heavy. I want to say 5 pounds.
Okay.
So that looks good. I'm gonna put those over there. Now these are the plates, which are kind of heavy.
Jesus, careful.
Okay.
Easy.
Okay.
Oh, so you can take them off
You
one
can
by
take them
one.
off.
That's
Yeah,
sick.
yeah, yeah. And they slide too. So here.
Oh, yeah. How
They
much
slide.
are they? 5 pounds each?
But I gotta
guess
be
so,
careful.
right?
They feel like 5 pounds each. Yeah.
Okay, so even if something goes wrong, you can technically, replace.
put it through here.
Yeah.
Yeah. Which is interesting. I'm gonna leave them in here for now.
Yeah.
We're gonna see
Sure.
what's in the rest of them. So that's cool. That's heavy. Okay.
Yeah, those are just probably gonna be the handlebars with the weights too.
With more weights?
Yeah.
Okay, and then we can maybe stop it. And then
Put it together.
put it together, yeah. But keep it running.
It's running.
All right. Let me go in here real quick. All right. We got a little message over here. Hopefully I don't stab you.
Great power comes with great. What the fuck? Great power comes with great. Oh Jesus, I'm dyslexic. Nice.
Look at that.
That's crazy.
That's what I'm talking about, baby.
Let's get it. Okay.
So we're gonna figure that out very soon for your safety.
Nah.
You already know.
For my gains.
For my games.
Relaxation recovery. That's awesome.
Yeah, maybe we'll
Okay.
get a cold bath after this.
A nice
Cold
ice
plunge.
bath. Yes, sir.
Yeah, because we don't have one of those yet. Kappa.
Kappa.
Okay, this is gonna be tough again. Put the knife over here so we don't hurt ourselves.
Put it lower so that we can see your
Yeah,
your
that's
head
the
through
plan.
there. Yeah.
I think I'm also gonna have to do another upside down.
Okay.
Let's try that.
Chucky, come here. Come check it out, boy.
Chucky, come here, boy. Come on.
What's there, boy?
What do we got? What do we got here? Whoa. All right. Sheesh. All right, we got the first one. So we're in business. Okay,
Nice.
so worst comes to worst, we could just
Nice, the pump. Look at that, boys.
a little. I'm talking about, baby. All right, so it's like metally. It's metally over here too, and then I guess. Oh, here we go. This is the twist, which I guess we can't do anything yet.
Right now, yeah.
So we'll figure that out in a bit.
And then there's just
Stay
more
tuned.
weights there, right?
Okay, that's interesting. We're not gonna do anything there. And yeah, I'm assuming this is gonna be the same thing. Should I open it?
Yeah, and like we'll pause it here and then we'll put it together now because you just got to see what that is basically, right? So
You don't want to open it real quick?
no, you can open it too. You want me to keep recording?
Should you keep going?
Sure. Yeah.
Okay.
Because it's the same thing, so
yeah.
they don't need to see that. All right, part 2, building the weight.
We good?
The dumbbell,
we going?
yeah.
We live?
Yeah, we live.
All right, guys, so we figured it out with the first one. We're gonna do the second one real quick. So here's how it comes. You got this over here. Take it out.
Handlebar.
This is actually the last piece that you put in. So we're gonna leave it to the side. Over here. Give it a quick quality check. Looks pretty good. Goes from 5 to 80, but I'll show you that in a second.
We'll test it out after, yeah.
Okay. This is another piece that comes with it. This is gonna go in at the end, so I'll show you in a little bit.
Yeah.
Leave it over here.
The clipper.
The clipper. It's always tough to get, the styrofoam is like placed really well. So
Trying to keep that shit together.
yeah, I gotta keep it together because I don't want it to fall. This over here is the end piece.
Yeah.
So you're gonna put it on this side over here. Right like this, very easy. And it's just gonna slide in there. And then you're good for now.
Just to show the difference, like this piece here, like it has the edge sticking out, but the very first piece here, there is no edge sticking out. So make sure that piece goes all the way to the very side first, and then continue with these ones after that have that edge sticking out there, right? So
Yeah, so
and then they just lock in like this. Boom.
yeah. So here's another set of 4. And again, you guys should be able to tell which one's the end piece.
Yeah.
It's the smooth side.
Yeah.
So I'm putting this at the end on this side. And then, like RedJayHead was saying, you're just gonna slide them all in. I don't think you have to do them one by one. If you're strong enough, like me, you just put them in all together. There's supposed to be 7 on each side. So
Yeah,
this
and then there's
side-
gonna be space too, so you'll notice there's a little bit of space at the very.
Ooh, did you see that? Kind of clipped a little.
You clipped it? Chat clip?
Chat clip? No. It clips just a little bit, but it has to come off before it clips, so it's all good.
Sus, okay.
Yeah, no, I think it's all good. Oh,
Oh
wrong
no,
way.
everyone did it the wrong way, yeah.
You could tell it's the wrong way because you don't want to see any of this like emptiness. So
The emptiness
this is the
was
right way
bottom.
because like it's clean. So this thing,
You have to make sure the.
I actually haven't done it yet.
Yeah, so these face each other. The insides like this, where you have that little crevice there. You're gonna put it right here, and then again the crevice is on the inside. So
Okay, so like this.
yeah, so it's facing each other.
Okay. And actually, the assembly is like pretty easy.
Yeah, so 2 crevices there, and then yeah, you just gotta put in the dumbbell. Boom.
There you go.
That's it, and
Yeah.
then.
And we could start with, let's say 25. Okay. And then lift it up. Slide it out. I don't want to shake it too much, you know.
We'll be shaking it plenty when we're doing the weights.
Yeah, I guess you can just do like a...
I don't got your face in it, but yeah, basically.
All they need to see is my body and they'll know what's up. Go back in.
Put them in carefully though.
Yeah, make sure they're in. I don't think they'll adjust if they're not in right. I don't think you can change.
No, like when you're putting in, don't hit the other weights is what I meant.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
But yeah, I mean.
And then 80s max.
Yeah, that's for the big boys.
Yeah, which we're not gonna do.
Maybe
yeah.
60s, but 80s is wild. Yeah, that's it.
So that's all that it is to it.
Your Nuobell.
If like you guys have any questions or anything like that later in the future after I've used them for like a year or something, just hit me up in the comments and ask me how it's going, and I'll let you know if they're still alive.
Let's get it. Okay. Peace.